சார் ரைட் ஆஃப் பண்ணலாமா சார்? வீடியோ சார் இருங்க ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
அவர்கிட்ட திரும்பி கேட்டுக்கிறாங்க லிங்க் கிடைஞ்சிருச்சாரு. Good morning, sir.
சார் இது போடுவோம். 15 தான் இருக்கேன், வெயிட் பண்ணேன்.
செல்வராஜ்
சார் பேச வந்து அந்த சரி
185 அது இல்லையா நம்ம சார்? குட் மார்னிங் சார். அவர் போட்டு லைன்ல வந்து 10 பேர் சொல்லியிருந்தேன். அவர் போட்டு 185 வரும். ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடலாம் சார். ரெக்கார்ட் ஹலோ சார், பார்த்துக்கோங்க சார். சொல்லுங்க சார். ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாமா? ஓகே சார், யூ கேன் ஸ்டார்ட் சார், ப்ளீஸ் சார். வீடியோ வரல சார், வரல லிங்க் கிடைச்சிருச்சு இல்லை சார்?
சார் லிங்க் கிடைச்சிருச்சு சார். நான் ஓப்பன் பண்ணி உள்ள வந்துட்டேன். உங்களை சார் பவர் பாயிண்ட் ஷேர் பண்றீங்களா?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ஷேர் பண்ணுறேன்.
Okay. Yeah, yes, sir.
ஷேர் பண்ண சொல்கிறேன்.
ஓகே சார்.
இதுக்கு வர சொல்லு. ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடலாம்.
Good morning to all. Good morning to all. You all have gathered here. For a PhD Viva's examination of Mr. Rajesh, the Department of Education, Department of Science, Management. I welcome you all. In Kalluri and Karanchekkum, in அனைத்து முதலியாக இருக்கின்ற என் கல்லூரியில் தன்னாக சபை தலைவர் சி பள்ளிமணி அவர்கள், தன்னாக சபை செயலர் சி பள்ளிமணி அவர்கள், கல்லூரி தலைவர் கல்லூரி செயலர் கண்ணனையா அனைவரும் இந்த நேரத்தில் நாம் பதிலளிக்கிறேன். Next, I would like to welcome our principal, Dr. M. Salman, who is the backbone of the institution, and he is always for all the activities, especially in the students. I will next, I would like to welcome our college former director of education, the research of this examination, Dr. M. Actually, our college is in rural area, and sir has taken a right decision and great effort to bring this center as a research center. Not all colleges in the institution of various universities has got this facility, and because of this effort, this college has got a facility for research in the Department of Physical Education. So the full praise goes to Dr. Vijay. And so far, in this department, he has already 12 scholars. And today, Rajesh is the 13th scholar. And I think Rajesh is very much lucky to have such a polite and gentle guide. Not all the scholars will get, especially even my scholars also. So I am welcoming you, sir. And I welcome our today's hero, Rajesh. I am welcoming him, and I also wish him all the best. Next, I would like to welcome all the staff members, all the participants from Bharat University and other universities, all the participants from Bharat University, the technical persons, scholars and friends. I welcome you once again. I will request our convener to give a brief introduction about the scholar as well as the examiner and the question. Sir, please.
Good morning, everybody. I am very glad to introduce the examiner and my scholar. The examiner, Dr. S.T.F. Rajeswaran, is working as a professor, Dean Education, Department of Physical Education, Bharathiar University, Coimbatore. He has more than 25 years teaching experience in the field of physical education and sports. He is well-known person in the field of sports psychology, statistics, and track and field. He published articles in the leading channels. He was organized many inter-university tournaments and seminars. He was guided more than 100 MPA and MPhil scholars and produced 14 PhD scholars in the field of physical education and sports. My scholar, Mr. S. Rajesh, is working as a physical education teacher, Kennedy High School, Hyderabad since October 2017 onwards. He has 20 years experience in teaching and coaching. He completed BA at St. Joseph College in Trichy, MA degree at Alappa University, and also he finished his MPhil degree in Annamalai University. He is a very good cricket player. He represented the Alappa University cricket team. He organized many intercollegiate and inter-school tournaments in his tenure. From this introduction, now I request the examiner to produce the official proceeding. Okay, thank you very much.
Hello, I request the examiner to proceed with the evaluation. Sir, please.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, it is audible.
Hello.
Sir, you can proceed, sir. Proceed, sir.
Can I proceed, sir?
Sir, you can proceed, sir.
இப்ப தாப்பா போடணும் நான் வந்து
Hello.
Hello.
Sir.
Sir, it is audible, sir. No.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Shall I start, sir?
Okay.
Sir, will start, sir.
Sir, very good morning to all of you. Hello, sir.
Okay.
Video.
Proceed, sir.
Shall I proceed, sir? Sir, hello, sir. Professor Vijayaraman, sir.
Proceeding.
Okay, sir. Very good morning to all of you. Is it audible, sir?
Good morning, sir.
Okay, sir. Really, I am very happy to serve as external examiner for the PhD was examination for PhD thesis submitted by Mr. S. Rajesh, titled Comparison of low, medium, and high intensity resistance training program on speed and power related parameters of Anna University men players. For this, I submit my sincere thanks to my parent university, Bharidasan University authorities, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Most Special Registrar, Most Special Control of Examination, Bharidasan University, and my dear Dr. Research, Professor Muthuchami sir, and my senior most professor in the field of physical education, Dr. Vijay Pranadana, and investigator, Mr. S. Rajesh. Really, I am very happy to serve as external examiner in this 45 hours examination. It is very pleasurable for me because I was an old student of Bharidasan University. I did my PhD under the guidance of Dr. P. Maria in 93-98 page. In that way, to serve as an external examiner for conducting the PhD hours examination. Then I submit my sincere thanks to the management of Ganesha College of Arts and Science, Manager Duri, and my dear participants. I really appreciate the research supervisor and the research scholar for their effort over to study which type of intensity will be better for developing the speed related parameters and power related parameters.
Sir.
That's a high, low intensity or medium intensity or high intensity. In that way, such a orbit oriented research they have taken. I hope that it will be highly beneficial for the players to develop their very basic and interface of performance related components in sports. Now, I am speaking to Mr. S. Rajesh to defend the thesis, what he has done related to what type of factors motivating this research, what are the objectives they have developed, what are the sources they have to develop such particular objectives, then the hypothesis and the nature of the study, then the means and methodology how they proceed, the results and conclusions. In that way, they have to that I am asking Mr. S. Rajesh to defend the thesis in the respective manner. Thank you all, sir. Now that Mr. S. Rajesh will defend thesis right now. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
So that
I like
PowerPoint, I'm not missing the PowerPoint.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please, sir.
Yes, sir. I like to extend a special welcome to our external examiner, Dr. S.T.N. Rajeswaran, Professor, Department of Physical Education, Bardiyar University, Dr. M. Selvaraj, Ganesar College of Arts and Science, Principal, Mala Sivaburi, Pudukottai, Dr. Vijay Raghunathan, Research Supervisor and Convener, Dr. M. Suresh Kumar, and dear friends and family members and colleagues, welcome to all. My research topic, comparison of low, medium and high resistance training program on speed and power related parameters of anonymous team and players. Now I am going to share the screen. Introductions, sports training, resistance training, training intensity, non-university players. Sports training is a program of exercise designed to improve the skill and increase the energy capacity of an athlete for a particular event. Resistance training means resistance training is an anaerobic from the exercise, the ability of the body to perform very high force and repeated bursts of maximal activities. H. Salem select the subject from anonymous players, 2015 and 16. Objective of the study. The investigator reviewed several literature and found that there are very few studies done in the area of different intensity of resistance training on selected speed and power performance parameters among anonymous men players in order to know the low, medium and high intensity resistance training of selected speed and power performance among anonymity men players, the investigator has selected this study. Statement of the problem. The purpose of this study was to compare the low, medium, and high intensity resistance training program on speed and power related parameters of anonymity men players. Hypothesis. There may be significant improvement on selected speed related parameters among anonymity men players. Training selected a performance parameter among anonymity men players in order to know the low, medium, and high intensity resistance training of selected speed and power performance among anonymity men players. Statement of the problem. Purpose of this study was to compare the low, medium, and high intensity resistance training program on speed and power related parameters of anonymity men players. Hypothesis. There may be significant improvement on selected speed-related parameters among anonymity men players due to the effect of low, medium, and high-intensity resistance training. There may be significant difference on selected speed-related parameters among anonymity men players due to the effect of low, medium, and high-intensity resistance training. There may be significant improvement on selected power and related parameters among anonymity men players due to the effect of low, medium, and high-intensity resistance training. There may be significant difference on selected power-related parameters among anonymity men players due to the effect of low, medium, and high-intensity resistance training. When the effect of low, medium, and high intensity resistance training, the high intensity resistance training group may be superior group to the low intensity resistance training group and medium intensity resistance training group in the improvement of speed and power related parameters among anonymous players. When comparing the effects of three experimental groups with control group, there may be significant improvement in experimental group than control group on selected speed and related parameters among anonymous men players. Limitation, psychological factors, food habits, and daily schedules, previous experience of the subject in the training, climate condition, and heredity. Methodology, 60 anonymous zone 8 players. 4 groups we are dividing. 3 groups experimental, 1 group control group. Age limit 18 to 21. Year 2015, 2016 in psychology matches. Random group designs. Selection of subject 60 anonymous zone 8 players. Low intensity resistance training 15 players. Medium intensity resistance training 15 players. High intensity resistance training 15 players. Control group 15 players. Training program total 12 weeks. Selection of variables, speed parameters, speed, straight length, straight frequency, speed endurance. Power parameters, leg explosive power, arm power, anaerobic power, elastic power. Selection of test, speed, test item 50 meters run, straight length, test item 50 meters run, straight frequency 50 meters run, speed endurance 150 meters run, leg explosive power, sergeant jump test, arm power pull-ups, anaerobic power, Margaria Solomon anaerobic power test, elastic power, bunny hop test. Statical, we are following 2 types of statical. For my study, 2 types of statical technique was followed. One is depend t-test, second is analyze covariation. Table value for t-test 2.15, table value for f-test 2.77. We are following Jeffrey post-hoc test. In all, the F ratio for adjusted post-test means was found to be significant So Cherfi test was followed as a post hoc test to determine which of the main difference was significant. Conclusion. From the analysis of the data, the following conclusions have been drawn. The experimental groups, namely low intensity resistance training group, maintain intensity resistance training group, and high intensity resistance training group, has shown significant improvement in selected speed related parameters, namely speed, straight length, straight frequency, speed endurance. Significant difference in achievement have been found among low intensity resistance training group, medium intensity resistance training group, high intensity resistance training group, and control group. In all the speed related parameters, namely speed, straight length, straight frequency, speed endurance. The experimental groups, namely low intensity resistance training group, medium intensity resistance training group, and high intensity resistance training group, have shown significant improvement in selected power related parameters, namely leg explosive power, arm power, anaerobic power, and elastic power. Significant difference in achievement have been found among low intensity resistance training group, medium intensity resistance training group, high intensity resistance training group, and control group. In all the power related parameters, namely leg explosive power, arm power, anaerobic power, elastic power. The high intensity resistance training group has been found to be better than the low intensity resistance training group, medium intensity resistance training group, and control group. Developing speed, straight length, straight frequency, speed endurance, leg explosive power, arm power, anaerobic power, and elastic power. Recommendation. Yeah, similar study.
Screen on. Video on.
Similar study may be conducted by selecting the physiological components, biochemical, and gain performance factor or variables. The similar study may be attempted by selecting the district, state, and national level students or subject.
Video on.
படிச்சு முடிச்சுனா வரும் வீடியோ இருக்கும். From present study, it may be concluded that speed, straight length, straight frequency, speed endurance, leg explosive power, arm power, anaerobic power, and elastic power can be improved by high intensity resistance training group. Hence, trainer and coaches adopt such training to improve straight length, straight frequency, speed endurance, leg explosive power, arm power, anaerobic power, and elastic power among the unconditioned players. A similar study may be conducted on female subject. A similar study may be undertaken to analyze the dermatological factors. Yes, sir. Yeah, my presentation is completed, sir.
Just completed, but your PowerPoint is not visualized there. Now I am hand over the session for participants. If any clarification is there, I congratulate the investigator for the nice presentation for his thesis regarding the hypothesis, delimitations, and methodology in connection with the samples, collection of data and statistical techniques. On completion of the presentation, very nice presentation of investigator. Now I hand over the session to the participants to have the clarifications if any. You please, this is the participants. Any clarification over the presentation, sir? You please. Hello. Professors and research scholars in the field of physical education. Vijayalarna? Anna?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Anna, the session is for participants, sir.
Now the session for few session.
Presentation of the investigator. And all participants, you can able to clarify. If no clarification over the presentation, then we go for
6 people waiting over there. Admit பண்ணுங்க 6 people waiting.
clarification by examiner to the investigator. Hello? Hello?
Hello, sir. Sorry, sir.
Sir?
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
ஆனா ஏதாவது கிளாரிபிகேஷன் பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்ஸ் ஏதாவது கொஸ்டின் கேட்கறாங்க?
கேள்வி வரல. ஒன்றும் இதுவரை கேள்வி வரல.
அப்ப அடுத்து நெக்ஸ்ட் அவர் போயிடலாம், டிஸ்கஷன் போயிடலாமா? Okay, now the questions to the investigator. Mr. Rajesh sir.
Hello, sir.
One minute, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is it audible to you?
Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Yes, sir. So that you have taken the study to measure what type of intensity is a better source to promote.
Sir.
How to develop the speed is motivating you to take up the study. You please give the factor that will be that was motivating you to select this topic, since the topic is a very object oriented one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, please.
Yes, sir. Wait a minute.
Tell me.
Yes. We are divided two type of test variables, sir. T-test and
Yes, sir,
F-test.
I am asking.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, no problem, sir. I am asking, sir, please understand my question.
Yes, sir.
நீங்க இந்த ஸ்டடி எடுத்துக்கலையா?
Yes, sir.
இந்த ஸ்டடி எதை அடிப்படையில் எடுத்தீங்க? எந்த காரணி வந்து உங்களை மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணிச்சு எடுக்கிறதுக்கு, ஸ்டடி எடுக்கிறதுக்கு?
Yeah. We have reviewed several literature, sir, and found this area very few studies in the area of differential intensity. Resistant training and selected speed and power performance parameters. The few
Okay,
studies
sir,
are there,
understood.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Because the next question, sir. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. Yes, sir. Thank
The
you.
next question.
Yes, sir.
If intensity is high,
Yes,
it
sir.
will develop the strength. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In
Yes,
that
sir.
way, now you are testing the power related parameters among the high intensity, low intensity, and medium intensity.
Yes, sir.
The players you have taken from that zone 8 of Anna University. Is it correct?
Yes, yes, sir. Zone 8, Salem,
Okay. How
intercollegiate.
did you control the players as subject for your study? இப்போ நீங்க எடுத்ததெல்லாம் பிளேயர்ஸ் தானே?
Yes, sir. Player, sir.
அந்த பிளேயர்ஸை வந்து உங்க ஸ்டடிக்கு நீங்க எப்படி கண்ட்ரோல் படுத்துனீங்க? அவங்க வந்து they will be in some other training also. Am I correct, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But our
இப்போ
training
நீங்க எப்படி உங்க
program.
ஸ்டடி போட்டு அவங்க கண்ட்ரோல் படுத்துனீங்க? நான் தமிழ்லயே கேக்குறேன்.
Yes, sir. Our training from morning 6 to 7, regular activities, 12 weeks program, sir. Morning 6 to 7 o'clock,
Okay,
we are
sir.
training program session. 12 weeks, that time we are
Okay.
following variables. Different speed, straight length, straight frequency, speed endurance, power related, like explosive, arm power, and anaerobic power, elastic power, sir.
Power related parameters. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then 60 subjects you have taken from the zone 8, Anna
Yes, sir.
University zone 8, 60.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
How did you select, sir?
Selection of the university places, who are selected university, who are selected to participate in university, that norms we are selecting 60 players, sir. We are following
60
that
players.
norms. Yeah.
How did you confirm all are homogeneous? அவங்க எல்லா பேரும் ஒரே மாதிரி இருப்பாங்கன்னு சொல்லி நீங்க எப்படி சார் கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்றீங்க? Because inter college level players வந்து அண்ணா யூனிவர்சிட்டி players somebody will have performance very good, somebody performance will be low. So நீங்க வந்து எப்படி அத வந்து எல்லாம் ஒரே
one hour test, sir. We are following 1 hour.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Then we go for
Thank you
next.
very much, sir.
What
Yes,
type of experiment design you have taken?
Experimental design. This speed related 4 things, sir. Power related 4 things, sir.
No, sir. Design, research design, experimental design.
Experimental design.
Okay, the random group experiment design. I hope that you have taken from the study that pre-post random design.
Yes, sir.
Only. Okay, sir. Next, sir, I am asking the statistical tool you employed in the present study, that dependency test and ANOVA.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any idea about that? That are you confirmed the statistical is appropriate?
Yes, sir.
Feel பண்றீங்களா?
Yes, sir. We are going for next
Okay,
test
okay.
also, sir. Safety test.
Okay. Very good, sir. Thank you. Then we go for. Really, I am very happy on your tablet results tableted. The method of tableting the results over the study.
Yes, sir.
Very good. That you have given in the tables only that t value only, mean and t value. What about the standard error? Why not you given? Standard error ஏன் நீங்க கொடுக்கல? Pre-test mean value, post-test mean value கொடுத்திருக்கீங்க ஒவ்வொரு குரூப்பையும். Low intensity, medium intensity and high intensity. ஆனா நீங்க ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் எரர் கொடுத்தா ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் எரர் தான் முக்கியமானது.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
you have given t value தான் கொடுத்திருக்கீங்க.
Yes, sir. T value கொடுத்துட்டு F value கொடுத்துட்டு அப்புறம் safety test
அந்த பர்టిక్యులர் குரூப்போட ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் எரர் இருக்கா?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. thesis-ல கொடுத்திருக்கு சார். இதுல வரலங்க.
thesis-ல இல்ல சார், ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் எரர் இல்ல. சார் நீங்க அட்லீஸ்ட் வந்து if you presenting the your PhD for any publication.
Yes, sir. Yes,
after
sir.
getting the approval from the concerned Bharathidasan University, you shouldn't must include that standard error.
Yes, sir. Yes.
When you go for publication, sir, when you go for publish your thesis,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have to include the standard error, sir, in future.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. What conclusions you have made? What type of intensity is better for developing the speed related parameters, sir?
Speed related, that 50 meters speed.
What type of intensity? Whether the high intensity or low intensity or medium intensity, sir?
High intensity, sir. High intensity get more significant, sir.
So high intensity will always develop strength, but
Speed also we are using.
Strength and power. Sir, what is testing hypothesis, sir?
Testing the hypothesis, but obtain value for experimental group but greater than the table value, sir. So result significant difference.
Okay. Very good, sir. From your discussion and findings.
Yes, sir.
You have given only that studies only.
Yes, sir.
Do you have thesis right now?
Yes, sir.
Thesis உங்க கையில இருக்கா?
இருக்குங்க சார்.
உங்களோட டிஸ்கஷன் அண்ட் ஃபைண்டிங்ஸ் பேஜ் நம்பர் 129 130ல அப்படியே ஸ்டடீஸ் அப்படியே பிரசன்ட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க.
Yes, sir.
I hope that if you interpret the findings of this study in connection with the findings you derived from your study, I hope it will be better, sir. Then
Yes, sir. Yes,
anyhow, it will be somewhat good, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how this research studies, what source you used to collect these studies, sir?
Materials from
Sir?
the research studies. We have reviewed many literature, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, in sum, to the sports society, how
Yes,
your
yes.
study will be helpful. Finally, I am asking you,
Yeah,
I really
yeah.
appreciate your effort and that your research supervisor is my own brother, Dr. Vijayarav Anna. அது அண்ணா தான் எனக்கு. ஸோ
Yes, sir.
நீங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் உங்க தீசிஸ் ரொம்ப எஃபோர்ட்டா பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. இது
Yes, sir.
உங்க தீசிஸ் வந்து எந்த அளவுக்கு ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் சொசைட்டிக்கு ஒரு பயனுள்ளதா இருக்கும்?
So இந்த thesis ஃபாலோ பண்ணா ஸ்டேட் நேஷனல் லெவல் அத்லெட்டிக் கிரியேட் பண்ண முடியும் சார். The proper training based on this thesis, they will increase the performance of individual athletes, even volleyball players, basketball players, even power related things are there, elastic power, explosive power. These all things helpful volleyball player and basketball player as well as athletics. Many helpful are there in the future.
These are all the suggestions to the sports society from your study.
Yes, sir.
Then what about your suggestion to the players? From your study, what do you want to suggest to the players?
Yeah, they have to do all variables, sir. This all variable, what are the speed related, power related, all things they have to follow when the training section time. I suggest this thing.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, thank you for your very nice presentation, and I am satisfied with your
Thank you, sir.
response over the clarification made by myself over your thesis.
Yes, sir.
Based on my observation on your thesis and observation over your nice presentation and observation over the clarification, response to the clarification made by myself and participants, I am recommending the present study, this thesis, to the authority of Bharati Dasan University for the award of Doctor of Philosophy in Physical Education with grade of highly commended. Further, once again I submit my sincere thanks to the management of Ganesh Sir College of Arts and Science, Principal Sir, Secretary Sir, and former Director of Physical Education and Research Supervisor of Dr. Vijayaraghana, and right now the Director of Physical Education, Dr. M. Suresh Kumar, and Honorable Vice Chancellor of Bharati Dasan University, most respected Registrar of Bharati Dasan University, and most respected Controller of Examination, most respected Director in Charge, Director Research, Professor Muthuswamy sir, and all for giving the opportunity to me to serve as external examiner for conducting this PhD Viva examination. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your answer. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for
Thank you, John. John, sir.
Now I request the scholar to give the thanks.
Yeah, I express my heartfelt thanks to Vice Chancellor, Bharati Dasan University, Management, Ganesh Arts and Science College, Mela Sobri, Dr. S.T.N. Rajeswaran, Bharati University, Dr. M. Selvaraj, Ganesh Arts and Science College, Dr. N. Vijayaraghana, Dr. M. Suresh Kumar, or Raj Lakshmi Bhatt, Principal of Kennedy High Global School, my family members, friends, and colleagues, I thank you very much and thank you one and all.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Anna, Anna. Shall I leave now? Leave from the Google Meet?
10 பேர் வெயிட்டிங்ல தான் இருக்காங்க சார். மீட்டிங் மூலம் நம்ம அட்மிட் பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும். மீட்டிங் நம்ம தெரியவே இல்லையே.
டைம் இருந்ததுனால
அந்த இது பர்டிகுலர் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா வரையணும்
Sir, thank you everyone, sir.
வெயிட்டிங் வந்து போய் அதை எப்படி அட்மிட் பண்றதுன்னு நமக்கு தெரியல.
இல்ல அது
Now I'm going to end the session. Now I'm going to end.
வெடி பாவங்கள்